The quality of sleep, there are many tips. If you go into YouTube, these days there are thousands of advisors. They will say that what should you do the last work before you sleep? No? You should take shower or should have a cup of hot milk and then listen to music and the sound of ocean, things like that. You will find 1,001 suggestion. But if your lifestyle is good, you will sleep even in meditation hall. Many people sleep there. Even on their mattress, no? Because they are relaxed people, no? They have not to achieve, they have not to build big house or they have not to buy American cars and things like that. So, it is a curse of ambition. The more ambitious a mind, more desiring a mind, more problem he will have on sleep. And this sleep problem is becoming universal. Insomnia is a now very common disease like constipation in the world, no? The whole world is suffering from two things, I say, physical constipation and mental diarrhea. Universal problem. Huh? We think 2,000 to 3,000 thoughts per hour, and most of the thought are repetitive. Every day we have same thoughts again and again. And psychologist has now done research. The 80% thoughts are negative for you and negative for the society, and only 5% thoughts are creative or useful. 95% thoughts, 80% is totally destructive and negative. No? Every day we have about 50 to 60,000 thoughts. So every hour about 2,000 to 3,000 thoughts. So 80% is negative, useless. 15% are neutral, but they are also repeated, same thing you sing again and again. Only 5% thoughts, those are also very fortunate people, they have creative thoughts or positive thoughts, only 5%, or new thoughts. So people, those who are not meditative, they are half mad already. No? Either you have meditative mind, otherwise this mind is lead you to madness. No? The world is a big madhouse, so people don't feel that we are living in madhouse. But when we live in Tapovan, especially during the Corona crisis, we are for 1.5 years we have not been able to go to outside. But sometime when we have some urgent work, we have to go outside. Just crossing the Balaju, we realize that I have come into the madhouse. No? You watch the people, no? How they walk, how they speak, no? Watch their face. When they talk to people, those who don't meditate, when they come here, no? A very senior officer one day came to see me. They said, I wanted satsang. Very senior officer, position. I can't say to them no. Then for 1 hour, we are sitting in a room, and he was just talking nonsense. Yeah? He was doing his mental garbage because he could not find out somebody who can freely listen to his. If you go to psychiatric, he charges very much for your for listening to your mental garbage. I was the poor victim, so I have to. 1 hour, no, he just did his mental diarrhea, make my room dirty. And then at the end he said that Oh, we had very good satsang, Swamiji. I would like to come again and again. People don't realize. He didn't allow me to speak a word, no? Except yes, yes, oh, no, no. And at the end he said that we had very good satsang. And sometimes people say that the last time when you come, the book you have given me, that to VIP we give book free, no? That's the minimum expectation they have, no? So when we give them the book free, next time they said, I have read your book few pages. No, I have read your book few pages. As if they have done a great favor to me, that they have read few pages of my book. I said that, how do you like it? It is good. The body language says that. So that madhouse we live. We all live in that madhouse. So sleep, such people will have problem in sleep. And it is become universal. Lot of people complain that they have sleep problem. The honest people, they say frankly, till late night they cannot sleep. And even if they sleep for 4 or 5 hours, the quality of sleep is not good. No? The main thing is quality of sleep. If your quality of sleep is good, even a smaller hour of sleep can give you more refreshment. So when people sleep in meditation hall, even 15 minutes of sleep gave them so much refreshment. Because it is yoga nidra. No? When you sleep in meditation hall, listening to, and best sleep is when you listen to Osho. And when he said that, jago, jago, and if the lecture is more than 45 minutes, and when Osho says jago, jago, then I watch, I find many people are gone into deep sleep. That's why Osho has to crack jokes, no? He said that when I see that in the audience, Bhagwan used to say, when I see that many people are sleeping, then I have to crack jokes. When there is a jokes, then Mullah will say, people awake. Bhagwan said that I have to crack joke for you. Sutra is for me, but you will not listen to sutra. So in between I have to say jokes so that you awake. So this is a state of mind. At least sleeping in meditation hall is much better. Because you have a quality of sleep that we call yoga nidra. Yoga nidra. That's very deep quality of sleep. So the sleep is a miniature death. Why people are afraid of death? The people who are afraid of death, they will be afraid of sleep also. They will be afraid of orgasm also. In sexual orgasm also, the people who are afraid, they don't enjoy the sexual orgasm. For sex, to enjoy the sex also, you should, minimum qualification I find, at least you should have meditative mind. If no mind, much better. In no mind, the sex will become samadhi. But at least you should have meditative mind, then you can enjoy the sex. Then you go into orgasm, then you go into no mind. The sex can give you a glimpses of no mind. It can give you glimpses of death. No? Orgasm is like a death. So people, most of the people are so much occupied in their mind. So the only advice, my advice is that make your mind at least a meditative mind. No? And it is not going to tips on the night that you have a hot cup of milk, or you read some Osho book, or you listen to the music of ocean. No, these tips are there in the YouTube, thousands of tips, but people, it does not help much. No, you should have a restful mind. So when you go to sleep, think that this is the last day, I have done my job as much as I could do, and now I am going to die for 6 hours or 7 hours. It's a death, no? And forget about that. Whatever happened, happened, and it is a short death, no? So death also is needed, because when we tired of the life after 70 years, 80 years, we die. It is a long sleep. Maybe we don't come back in body for a few years. So it is a great rest. And then the soul comes into the new body very fresh. So sleep and death is similar, and also sexual orgasm is also very similar. So meditative mind can sleep well, can enjoy food, and can enjoy sex, and also they will have a very graceful death.